Congress veteran Manishankar Iyer stoked a big controversy because he trained his guns on Hindutva. Speaking at a debate titled Hinduism Needs Protection from Hindutva, Iyer branded Hindutva as Hinduism in a state of paranoia. He addressed the audience as sisters and brothers, invoking Swami Vivekananda and his iconic address in America. But unlike Vivekananda, who presented Hinduism as universal, inclusive and civilizational, Iyer chose to draw artificial distinctions and invent new definitions, echoing and amplifying the line that was also taken by Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra. The BJP called this a deliberate desecration of Hindutva ethos. The Saffron Party insists that these attacks are not incidental, but part of a well-thought-out strategy. And this flows from the top, designed to divide, polarize and rule.
This is the same line of Congress. Rahul Gandhi has also abused Hindutva. Time and again, Hindu Astha, Hindu ka karo apman has become Congress's only pehchan.
Right from the Nehru's Congress to Rahul Congress, the Congress party leadership has harbored a hostile anti-Hindu mindset to perpetrate and peddle their politics of divisive religious appeasement, which is why the people continue to reject the parochial Congress party.
Why the term Hinduism? Why the ism is associated with all the religions which originated from India? Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism and Jainism. Never you have heard Islamism and Christianism? Ism word is being associated just to demean, and what Hindutva is? Hindu Tattva.
Now, Manishankar Iyer's attack on Hindutva has left the Congress party speaking in multiple voices. Some who are openly endorsing what he has said, claiming that even Rahul Gandhi has said it before. And then comes the scramble to distance, because multiple leaders have also insisted that Manishankar Iyer is not even an active Congress member. Supriya Srine turning the guns on the BJP instead. Listen in to these reactions from the Congress.
हिंदू धर्म का और राष्ट्रवाद का सर्टिफिकेट बीजेपी कतई न दे। बीजेपी ढोंगी मौका परस्त पार्टी है और उसी तरह की गंदी राजनीति करती है। भाई
Hinduism is a religion, is a spiritual thing that is followed by the majority of Hinduisms. Hindutva is only followed by this kaki nikar wale and kale topi wale. That's all.
Manishankar Iyer's comments has nothing to do with the Congress party. He is neither an active member, nor is a spokesperson of the party, or he doesn't even hold any responsible position in the party.
Earlier, 85% of the backward and scheduled caste Hindus were made to bow before the 15% of the upper caste Hindus. That was history. That is why the Dravidian movement was started, to protect the Shudras and Panchamas of Hinduism.
The Hindu Dharam is old Dharam, it is a religion. The Hindutva is a political program, RSS का political program. Hindu राष्ट्र तैयार करना, then non-Hindu के खिलाफ public opinion तैयार करना, एक fascistic idea को ले जाना.
What is Hinduism? जब हिंदू भागता रहता है तो हिंदुइज्म है। ढाका से भागा, चिटगांव से भागा, सिलहट से भागा, काबुल से भागा, लाहौर से भागा, कराची से भागा, आजाद हिंदुस्तान में कश्मीर से भागा, मालदा से भागा, 24 परगना से भागा, मुर्शिदाबाद से भागा, और जो जिस शहर में रहता उस शहर के पुराने इलाके से भागा। भागता हुआ अच्छा लगता है, जागता हुआ अच्छा नहीं लगता है।
My colleague Nyamika joins us on the broadcast with the details of the politics around it and the questions on whether Hindus are the only ones who are subject to this kind of a public opinion on whether there is a difference between Hinduism and Hindutva. And Nyamika, we've seen this happen, the distinction that is made between the two time and again, with Hindutva even being branded as Gundaism by Manishankar Iyer. He was referring to that. But what is the official stand of the Congress party? Some say Rahul Gandhi has echoed the same sentiments, while others say that Manishankar Iyer is not even part of the Congress party. What is the official stance of the Congress?
Even within the Congress party, there are two different opinions which are coming to the fore. There are some people who endorses the statement which has been given by Mr. Manishankar Aiyar. However, there are some other people who are basically trying to target the BJP for raising such kind of issues, because on one side it is Mr. B.K. Hariprasad or the other leaders who basically trying to make a distinction between Hindutva and Hinduism, as it was also being stated by Mr. Manishankar Aiyar as well, that Hinduism doesn't need any kind of protection from Hindutva, because he had basically stated that Hindutva is a political ideology. He has also compared it to the Gundaism, saying that Hindutva basically means that a BJP leader can even slap a blind tribal girl only because she attends a Christian event. So that is the description which he has given between the difference between Hindutva and Hinduism. But on the other side, there are other party leaders as well who are basically trying to put forward their viewpoints regarding this entire matter. In fact, the AICC in charge, Mr. B.K. Hariprasad, has also gone on to say that there is no such kind of discrimination which is being done within Hinduism, but it is basically Hindutva which also portrays such kind of things, that there is discrimination amongst the people, amongst the society, and that is what is being portrayed by the BJP itself, as we have also listened to the other voices coming in, including Ms. Supriya Shmeth, as she has basically targeted the BJP, saying that they don't have any kind of right to say anything about Hinduism, the way in which they are basically trying to target the backward classes, minorities. That also shows that they also doesn't believe in Hinduism, as that is what even Mr. Rahul Gandhi has also stated during an event recently. As for that reason, we have seen that how the Congress party is continuously attacking the BJP, saying that they are basically targeting the minorities in the name of Hindutva, as there is a clear distinction between Hindutva and Hinduism, which is also being stated by Mr. Manishankar Aiyar recently in an event.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with all those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.